Before changing a SolidWorks part, it is important to understand where that part is used. Imagine you are a new employee in a mechanical engineering role. Your task is simple: modify one existing production part, but there is a problem. You do not know the full project structure, you do not know which assemblies use that part, and from Windows File Explorer, this information is not visible. Even in SolidWorks, finding this context is not always straightforward, especially when files are reused across multiple assemblies, machines, or customer projects. That is why the first question should not only be, what is this part? The more important question is, where is this part used? In this video, I will show how Solidise helps answer that question using the Where Used search. Let's jump into the Solidise workspace and find the part we want to check. To make this faster, I can use the name filter and type the first few letters of the file name. Solidise then narrows down the list, so I do not have to manually search through the full project folder. Once I click on the part, Solidise shows the file properties on the right-hand side. Here I can review useful information about the selected part, such as file details, metadata, and related information from the indexed workspace. To see where this file is used, I need to switch to the Where Used tab. Solidise will then show every place where the part is referenced, across all available configurations. This is not limited only to assemblies, it can also show references inside other part files if they exist. That gives me a better understanding of what could be affected before I make any changes. To work with the related files more quickly, Solidise also gives us the option to open the file location directly in Windows File Explorer. Now we have opened the assembly where the selected part is being used. Here we can review how the part is positioned, how it is mated, and what role it plays in the assembly. This context helps us make a better engineering decision before changing the file. For example, we can decide whether the part should be updated as a revision, or whether it would be safer to create a new version to avoid affecting other assemblies. That is how the Where Used workflow works in Solidise. Before changing a part, you can quickly check where it is used, review the related assemblies, and understand the possible impact of your change. This helps reduce mistakes, avoid unexpected rework, and make better decisions before editing, replacing, or deleting SolidWorks files. If your team works with shared parts across multiple assemblies or projects, this kind of visibility can save a lot of time and prevent costly design issues.